Guys, it's a new video about the TikTok app, and right now I will show you how to create an interesting caption for your video on TikTok. So how to create a caption on the TikTok? Let's go to the app. Right now I will quickly create a new video after tapping on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and uploading a new video from my gallery. I will go to another album from the gallery app, and as an example I will use this image of capybara as an example of the TikTok. Let's tap on the next, and right now it's the best and the most important part of the whole tutorial, how to create the caption. As you can check, to add the caption of the TikTok, we need to tap on this line, but here we have also the inscription share your thoughts within 4,000 characters. So the 4,000 is the biggest caption you can add. Remember about it, please. So unfortunately you cannot write here a book but you can set your message here. But the most interesting trick I will show you right now is how to manage the font of the text in the caption. I will go to my Safari or your browser you have on your device, and I really like this website like Lingo Gem. If you know another one, it's absolutely not important. You can use any website you like to change the font of the selected text. And on the first section I need to set the text I want to add as the title for my video. Click on the done, and on the second one I have a lot of different fonts I can copy and set as the caption. For example, I really like this one. Let's click on it and hold it a little bit to copy. Let's click on the copy and go to the TikTok. After, we can go here and paste. In this way we can create a really very interesting and different captions. Also, don't forget to add some hashtags because it helps to make your TikTok more popular, and I think that more users can see your TikTok in this way. So I will set the keyword capybara. It's very popular hashtag. Also, don't forget to add some mention if you have. Don't forget that you can mention yourself here, add the mention for the selected video. Don't forget about other options like add tag people, set some location, etc. and let's post it. We will wait a little bit before the uploading, and I will refresh my profile page to show you the result. Let's click on the last video we have, and as you can check here we have very cool and interesting special title, capybara, and as you can check our hashtags works with no troubles also. Guys, and I hope you like this tutorial, and you can also go to our I'm so sorry, no, it's not possible. You can also go to our TikTok and follow it, because we will create a lot of different useful tutorials that also will help you about different apps, different programs. So I hope that you will like our content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube also. And have a nice day. Good luck, guys. Goodbye.